Want 115 OVR players from Star Scout without wasting tokens? This trick actually works. Watch till end. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here, you get to select 1 out of 6 players for free. You can choose any option you want, but the important thing is consistency. Make sure you stick to the same selection every single time. That's the key part of this method. So at first, we get an untradeable player. So we can't judge which player it is, and we just skip it. In this one, we get a midfielder. So again, we can't judge which player it is, and we just skip it. So if you want to pull a good player, always focus on high OVR, like 114 or 115. Or keep an eye out for icons or heroes, because those usually give you the best value. See, here we get 111 to 113 OVR players. So if you're aiming for a 113 OVR player, you can keep opening more. But remember, the main trick is later in this video. 110 OVR players in this era are basically a waste, so just skip them. So now, here comes the main trick. You can clearly see that it's an icon. If you pay attention to the card animation, you can actually tell whether it's a 111 or 112 OVR player from the Ballon d'Or event. It could be Yamal or Vinny, but not Dembele because his card animation is different. They also have banners showing the year they won the Ballon d'Or, so make sure to look out for those. So again, here we got an icon program player. But if you pay close attention to the card animation, you can see that this is definitely a 112 OVR Luis Figo card. You can tell because he won the Ballon d'Or in 2000, and the animation and banner clearly show that, making it easy to identify high OVR players in the Star Scout event. But we don't want him now. So now, we got a festival fixture program player. But when you carefully look at the card animation, you can tell it's a 111 or 112 OVR card, not an icon or hero. Icons and heroes have a completely different animation style, like this, which makes them easy to identify. Since this one doesn't match that, we just skip it and move on to the next pick. So that's the complete trick to get 115 OVR players in Star Scout. Remember to follow the steps carefully. Pay attention to the card animations and focus on high OVR and icon cards. This will really help you spot the best players quickly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more FC Mobile tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.